Sanao tomponandro fotoana afanay manompanao ndray miteny ity anketiny zay tompo mila ny teny avy aminao meo anay ny etsy fahefana afana anambara ny teninao ary tahino tsy raha ray avy andray ny teninao sotra Jesosy eo sotra tompo amen.
The preacher man to ask from good, yes, ask from good the authority and power to listening for his word.
Ka misy baiboly avy any aminao?
Yes. Have you a Bible?
Misy tenin'Andriamanitra avy any aminao?
Have you a good word?
Aina ho an'izay mahazo azy izy?
Oh, if you listening.
Aina ho an'izay mahazo azy izy?
Oh, if you listening.
Ary fahasalamana ho an'ny nofo rehetra.
And he lead for all flesh.
Ka dia ampifaliana zany a no anasananao ndray amin'ny teny ity.
Yes, I'm glad to invite you.
Anketrana itsika mpifaliana zany tenin'Andriamanitra izany.
Okay, let's go to me. We the glad, we the joyful, the word of good.
Noho izany ary a adesiko afatsika anarany baiboly.
Let's go to our Bible. Let's go to open the Bible.
Any amin'ny Matteo a toko fahenina.
In Matthew chapter 6.
Matteo a ny toko fahenina. Matteo a ny toko fahenina dia ny andininy voalohany. Matteo toko fahenina ny andininy voalohany. Dia vaky ito izao zay teny zay a amin'ny anaran'i Jesosy. Tandremo mba tsy hanao fiantrana eo masony olona ianareo. Ahitana izany. Fa raha tsy zany a de tsy manana valim-pity amin'ny rainareo zay any an-danitra ianareo.
Take it that you do not use charitable deeds before men to be seen by them. Otherwise, you have no reward from your Father in heaven.
Koa am'izany raha manao fiantrana ianareo, aza mba mitsoka tsopetra eo anoloanao tahaka ny fanaon'ny mpiasara velatria eo amin'ny sinagoga sy eny an-dalambe mba ankalazany olona azy. Lazaiko aminareo a marina tokoa fa efa azony ny valim-pitiny. Fa ianareo kosa raha manao fiantrana dia aoka tsy ho fantatry ny tananareo ankavanana zay ataony tananareo ankavia, mba atao eo amin'ny mangingina ny fiantranao ary ny rainao zay mahitanao any amin'ny mangingina no amaly anao miariary.
Therefore, when you do a charitable deed, do not sound a trumpet before you, as the hypocrites do in the synagogue and in the streets, that they may have a glory from men. Assuredly, I said to you, they have their reward. But when you do a charitable deed, do not let your left hand know what your right hand had you.
Izay tenin'Andriamanitra zay ndray a no iangatsika amin'ity fotoanany ity.
Well, this was good work to start this time now.
Meko tantara moa anao e.
I have one story for you.
Indray andro zay a nisy olona iray.
One day, there was one man.
Ary rehefa nahita ny mpiaramonina tamin'ilay olona.
Oh, this man, he saw his community
de hitany moa tao anatiny tao a fa misy sahirana le olona tao.
Well, he saw at the community many poor and many making nothing do.
De mba takany nihetsepo izy
And he said,
de mba naka zavatra tany aminy.
and he said, and he was going to take something from them.
Mety fotsibary eo.
Oh, as maybe as like rice.
De nameny a andreny namany a zay hitany hoe sasahirana tao.
Yes, let him to repeat again. But he be back at his home and taking the rice.
Ary
Taking the rice, and he gave for someone.
ary tena takiny tena Andriamanitra mihitsy nefa zay zavatra nataony zay.
The word of good, the good word, say for you, give it for give and share for someone that you have.
De zaray ny zavatra ho ale olona.
Many, I think that is many friend, his friend, and you have to share for something as like rice, as like something, have to eat.
Le olona sahirana zany a de nandray akitsimpo mihitsy.
The poor is take the something with his head,
Fa inona ozy ianao nindry kely?
but behold,
Inona nindry kely?
at behold,
Ratsy za.
what there was myself,
De tsy ninakanareo.
you don't know it. You don't know it.
Ratsy za.
What there was why
Nandro fotsy reo.
you sleep white.
Izay nirana zay ny tena Andriamanitra teo e.
The word of good say,
Zay ataony tananao avanana aoka tsy hita ny tananao a avy.
the God would say,
Zay ataony tananao avanana de aza atao hita ny avy.
the good say, but when you do a charitable deed, don't only you left hand know what your right hand is doing.
Ainao moa iza ny nanomenao a io fanananao io.
And so, do you mind thinking about who is to give you your heart, your will?
Oko fantatrao a
Let you know.
azon'Andriamanitra antoka ianao.
The good can guide you. The good assure you.
De nameny anao le izy a ho itsinjaranao ho zarainao a am'ireo mpiaramonina aminao reo.
Yes, when good help you, when good assure you, good give something to serve, as like serve, to serve for everybody poor.
Fa tsy hoe anaty e, tsy ameko ty e.
But no you want one. But you want the wave, want one to see, to say for everybody, well, this is for me, this is of mine.
Fa ezako io e.
Well, that is mean. It's my ability.
Ny fahaizako mamadibadiky ninona azahoako an'io e.
My ability to use something that I have something.
Vola,
Money,
arena,
the will,
fahaizana,
ability.
nampindramina anao reo.
Oh, as like to borrow for you.
Ka tokony ho zarainao a am'ireo mpiaramonina aminao reo a zay rehetrarehetra zay.
You have to serve for you. if you have a lot of money, if you to be a rich man, rich your man, you have to serve for everybody poor.
Ka hitanao moa,
Oh, and you see,
hitanao moa,
you can see,
mahatonga n'izao valanaretina izao a,
become the sickness now.
de anao manana tokony mba amenany sahirana, de fininao fotsiny zany a, de tonga aminao a zao Covid-19 zao.
When you are good health, when you have rich, when you have a lot of money, you have to serve for someone poor. You have to serve for someone poor, but you don't know like this. But you want one, you have your money.
Ka io coronavirus na Covid-19 io a tsotra ny anlinan'io.
The coronavirus and COVID-19, it's simple to get over it.
Zay manana de mba omeo le tsy manana de hiataka ho azy io a, tsy misy fanafody a ho atao am'izany fa zay le hoe fahatsoram-ponao a no takin'Andriamanitra izara zay azonao sy zay fanananao.
Who have someone who have a lot of money, who have something, who have a will, someone to be rich, you have to serve for someone to protect and to protect the confinement. And when you serve for someone, everybody can to do the confinement. That's good from good like this.
Ka tsotra zany no fa nanombotra izao valanaretina izao.
It's simple, the roots of this sickness.
Zany hoe tonga lay valanaretina de mietraika amin'olona, de ao ny tratran'ny krizy ara-tsakafo sy ny zavatra maromaro hoe ianao nefa miadana be, so de ahoana ny fiheveranao anao miadana io nefa ry olonay olon'Andriamanitra mitovy anao ihany.
That is to say that